That's crazy. Do a little glue up. Weird. I'll put you over here. I don't know how close it needs to be, but so we got, let's see how well that works. So we got water. No, that's soapy water. Let's put that over here. I gotta hurry up and figure out my electrical system for this. I'm gonna do a DIY thing. Let's see how that goes. So we got Gorilla Glue. We got water. Supposed to spritz Gorilla Glue with water. Is this already? No. Like that. Gorilla Glue, water, it foams up and hardens. Foams up and hardens. So we're gonna apply Gorilla Glue. Here's the little cap. We're gonna put the little cap right there. Right here, this is a huge little divot. I fucked up sanding. I've done a lot of fuck ups here, man. A lot of fuck ups here. So we're gonna hope this works. So we're gonna apply the glue first, then and hopefully it builds up. So there's wood glue, by the way. It's a base layer. It's kind of like a sealer. It bonds really well. Bonds really, really well. I think we're just gonna do this. Do this. Probably a little more. Like that's a good amount. Put it here, put it here, put it here. This area's fucked up too, right here. This whole area. Did a lot of fuck ups. Unfortunate. If I didn't do any of these fuck ups, I would have been done by now. But oh well, I guess. A little more glue. That area up there is a little fucked up too. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. It should. What? I feel something on my head. Why? A little glue here, a little glue here. Rub it in where it needs to be. Probably needs it all the way. Yeah, that's all. This is all a low area. It's all low. This is the back side, so it won't even be seen too often, but still try and make it look nice and not all fucked up. So now that we've got it applied, it's good enough application for now, I guess. Put the glue back. I've used a lot of this Gorilla Glue original. And I haven't been using it right in the first place, which is kind of awesome. Now you spritz it with water. Let's do it. Is that enough water? Well, it's got water spritzed all over it. Yeah. Let's do this too. There's water in my glove now. I don't feel anything. We got other fuck ups over here. clean this up, clean this up. We have to, so this hopefully has dried. We're gonna glue a piece of foam right here because that's a huge fucking divot. There's some sort of issue with the glue here for some reason. Like it didn't dry and it was just peeling up. Yeah, just like that. We used Gorilla Glue Clear over here. And I don't know what happened. Well, we mixed Gorilla Glue Original with the clear glue, so that might have caused some fucking issues. So we gotta get in here and like rip this all off. See how it's just coming right off? It's not bonding to the foam. A lot of fuck ups like this is what I'm saying. Like this is a fuck up right here. See how that's dug into that? I fucked up cutting it with the foam. Look at that, it's just coming right off. The big fuck up. Hopefully it doesn't pick up my music more than headphones. Picks me up well, not the music. That'd be great. We'll find out later. Yeah, we just gotta sand this. And over here, it's just kind of peeling off because this glue doesn't bind amazing. Sometimes it binds really well, like over here. That binds really well, but over here, it's just boom, boom. Maybe it's because it's thicker and it's easier to pull. Probably, why? The glue in my hand, it's still tacky, it's not foaming up. I think we have to give it a better spritz of water than that. There we go. That's a pretty direct spritz of water. Grab a microfiber, clean my hands. Some super glue here. This is a fuck up right here. I think I already talked about this. I glue in this panel, but the door's gonna be like this big. It's gonna be like this big, so I might as well take this off. That's awesome. Oh, this is an area for that glue to go too. I think, if I remember right. I'm trying to see. I think it's high this way, so you actually need to sand this down over here. Okay. What am I doing up here? Oh wow. Look at that. Awesome. Oh, it's foaming. Look at that. Look at that. It's foaming up. It's taking its time though. foaming up, but it's also flowing down. We need it to foam up and harden right away. Seems to be working, but it's dripping down. Well, we know this whole area is low. That whole area is low, man. Like, it's low enough to just cut a thin section and glue it on, man. That's not too bad, actually. Like, you can just leave that foam as is. Because we're making contact all over here. So how that foam is, you can literally just leave it as is. Low. See all that low? That's from sanding too hard up here. You can fucking feel it. Divot right around here. Divot right here. Divot right here. So that's awesome. Let's fuck up. Oh, see, it's fucking foaming more vigorously now, isn't it? Fuck. I didn't mean to fucking do that. God fucking damn it. I'm just dusting. Fuck off. Get all this shit out of here. Get the fuck out. Fuck me. Oh, fucking damn it. There goes the fucking foam glue. God fucking damn it. You know how fucking long that takes to cure? Fucking bullshit. Oh, why won't the fucking glove go on? I don't fucking get it. I'm fucking pissed. It's fucking ridiculous. Gloves feel fuck. Why don't they fit? I don't fucking get it.